Alright, using the discriminant homework, if you remember, to find the discriminant of a quadratic equation, we're using the portion of the quadratic formula under the square root, which is b squared minus 4ac. Alright, so I make sure my equation is set equal to 0. I have a, b, and c. So I'm going to plug my numbers into my discriminant formula. So -1 is b squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. -1 squared is 1, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times 2 is 8, means my discriminant is -7. On to number 2, I have a, b, c, plug it into my formula. B is -2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1. -2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The last one, a, b, c, plug it into my formula. B is +2 squared minus 4 times a is 3 times c is -1. 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 3 is 12 times -1 makes this plus 12. So my answer is 16. Next, it wants me to do the same thing, find the discriminant, but then decide, does that solution mean 1 real, 2 real, or 2 imaginary solutions? So if you look back on the notes for today, a positive discriminant is 2 real, 0 is 1 real, and a negative is 2 imaginary. So again, I have a, b, c. I'm going to plug it into my formula. B is 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 1. 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 is a positive number. Positive number means 2 real solutions. Number 5, a, b, c. So b is -2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1. -2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. A discriminant of 0 means there is 1 real solution. All right, number 6, a, b, c. B is 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 5. 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20. 4 minus 20 is -16. A negative discriminant means 2 imaginary solutions. All right, 7, 8, and 9 ask, say the graph of the quadratic function is shown. Tell whether the discriminant of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is positive, negative, or 0. So if you remember, the discriminant tells me how many solutions, and a solution is an x-intercept. So if I have 2 x-intercepts where my line crosses the x-axis, then that means it's 2 real solutions, and 2 real solutions means that my discriminant is positive. Sorry, a little bit down off the screen there. Number 8. Number 8 has 0 x-intercepts, which means no real solutions. No real, but that means 2 imaginary solutions. And 2 imaginary solutions comes from a discriminant that is negative. Last but not least, number 9 touches my x-axis once, meaning it has 1 real solution. 1 real solution means that my discriminant is 0.